Hey guys, I'm Richard with ProReal DFW Remodeling and Construction. And I'm here today to share with you the process we take when you want to get your countertops replaced for your remodel. It all starts with a soft measurement. We come to your house, we figure out which solid surfaces you want to replace, and we measure to determine how many slabs we need to replace. After that soft measurement, we send you to one of our 8 vendors across DFW. We have some in Southlake, Grapevine, Dallas, Plano, Frisco. You go to one of these warehouses that just have huge slabs of quartz, quartzite, marbles, granites, exotic, and you choose anywhere from 3 to 5 slabs that really fit your style. You could even choose more if you'd like. After that, we send you pricing. We say, here's the slabs you chose, and here's how much it's going to cost to install. After pricing's figured out and the slabs you want are figured out, then we come and do what's called a hard measurement. So we go back into your house and we measure all the cuts that we're going to need. We measure where the sink's going to be, where your range is going to be, make sure we have everything perfect. After that, we schedule a day to install. That's right, one day gets you new countertops.